Hello, my name is Julia, and I'm glad to welcome you to my YouTube channel. Today I will introduce you to my first masterclass on creating the handles for a Lady Dior style handbag. Here is the finished bag that I made on my sewing machine right here in my own home. These handles were created using my FAF Select sewing machine. These next set of handles were created on my Bernina 790 Plus. Both of them did an excellent job and kept a very high quality, and each time I found that I created a handle better and better. So now I'm sure, with my experience, that I can show you how to create the perfect Lady Dior style handles. So be sure to study the video series carefully. If you have many questions, write me. I will try to reply to everyone. But most important, don't rush. Let's study the details and practice before creating a finished product. If you find that you aren't satisfied the first time, don't be upset. Because I have a secret to tell you. My very first set was terrible. So have confidence that any mistakes can be fixed. I will teach you everything you need to know. My dear friends, start creating your handles of what will be your new favorite purse. Inspired by Lady Dior.